In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Drive and Google Calendar at the same time. This is perfect when you need to plan your day while keeping your files close at hand. You'll be able to browse documents in Drive and, without switching tabs, check your schedule and upcoming events in Calendar right from the same screen. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. If you're not already signed in, sign into the Google account you use for Drive and Calendar so everything appears in the right place. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, look for the small 3x3 grid icon. This is the Google Apps menu. Click it to open a panel with all your Google services. From that panel, select Drive. This opens your My Drive, where you can see your folders and files. On the right edge of the Drive screen, there's a slim side panel with a few helpful icons. This panel is your shortcut to tools like Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. If you don't see it, look for a tiny arrow at the bottom right of the page to show or hide the side panel. To open Calendar alongside Drive, click the Calendar icon in that right sidebar. A mini version of Google Calendar slides out, giving you quick access to your agenda without leaving Drive. You can scroll through upcoming events, click a date to see what's scheduled, and open items to view details. If you need more room, hover over the edge of the panel until you see a resize cursor, then drag to widen it. You can also pin the panel open so it stays visible while you move around your folders. With Drive and Calendar open together, it's easy to coordinate work. For example, you can check a meeting time in the panel, then immediately open the relevant document in Drive to prepare. If an event needs a file, open the event from the panel and attach the Drive item there. No tab hopping required. While you're in this sidebar, take a moment to review your pending tasks. Your to-dos are available right here, so you can see what's due and what needs attention as you plan your day. Keeping Calendar and tasks visible next to Drive helps you stay focused and reduces context switching. That's all you need to open Google Drive and Google Calendar at the same time using the built-in sidebar. Open Google, use the Apps grid to launch Drive, then click the Calendar icon on the right. With this setup, your schedule, tasks, and files stay together, making your workflow faster and more organized.